Welcome to Bajwa Family Cooks, guys. Today I make very special Punjabi boondi and it's very easy to make at home. I will show you how. Today we're making sweet boondi. So for sweet boondi I'm taking 400 gram flour and we're gonna take 400 gram sugar. Now I'll tell you the method. So I'm gonna use half here. We need a whisk for this and I'm gonna add water. We add 2.5 spoons this ground flour and same amount of water. Now time to add color. So I'm using this red color. Don't use any other color, just food color. You guys can use whisk or you guys can use this one. To use this one, we don't need any lumps in our flour. That's why I use this one. You guys can use whisk as well if you like. So now my batter is ready. Oil is ready. So now time to make. Wow! You guys can see how easy to fry these ones. It's already fried. So now we need to take out. So I already told you guys I have 400 grams ground flour. So I save some. So for another color. So I'm gonna add little bit green color in this. For fun. Now time to add water.
Wow, that looks spectacular, guys. Green boondi in the house. Look at how nice and vibrant these look. Home cooked
Everything.
Woo!
So now time to make syrup. For syrup I'm using 1.5 glass water. And we have 400 gram ground flour and 400 gram sugar. So our syrup is ready now. We don't need to wait that much. When your sugar melt in water, and then we don't need to wait any further. So now we're gonna add our boondi in this. We need to wait until our boondi soak all syrup.